Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are. I am going to start my day. Well, my day has already started, but I'm going to share this bit, which is my favorite thing for the day, I guess. It's, I'm going to tell you what's inside this one. Inside we have cilantro, strawberry beet, raspberry, blueberry. And as always, I'm going to go ahead with 1 cup of water. This morning I'm gonna add spirulina powder to it. So this is 5 millimeter of spirulina. And we are going to blend this. Where's the cover? Oopsie daisy. The flavor is strong, super strong. So we have celery, beet, blueberry, strawberry, and at the end I add spirulina. 1 cup of water always. I like it. Eat your veggies, they say. If you drink it very fast, you get a flash headache. Guess what? I was about to get some work done and this came. This was delivered today. Oral-B Vitality. I have been using this brand for 6 years, but the one I use every 3 months, you change the head, of course, but the battery annoyed me. I had to buy batteries, rechargeable batteries, and then to dispose of the battery was an issue, dispose of the battery safely, because I'm thinking of how I'm impacting the environment. And so I decided to upgrade to one that uses a charging port, and so I got this one. There are others that I'd looked at, but because I was familiar with this one, it was the first one I've had, first electric toothbrush I've had. I decided to stay, keep it in the family. It feels chunkier than the other one I have. Maybe I could get back and do a comparison, but it feels chunkier. Oh, the packaging is not bad. What do I know about packaging? But yeah, so it comes with a charging port. I thought it would come with a USB charging port, something I could travel with. But so the one I had initially, this has a built-in battery. That's the difference. This one has a built-in battery. Ooh, it's hard. The makeup is pretty much the same, but it has a built-in battery, and this toothbrush I love very much. So that's it for my electric teeth. I'll tell you about it, how it is. But the main reason why I purchased this is because I don't have to change the battery. It comes with a charger and the battery is built in. That's the main reason for purchasing this. There is a upgrade on this one, of course. You have this thing where you can rest it down so it doesn't roll over on the bathroom counter or anything like that. And it has a nice grip compared to the one I had before, and the head rotates very fast, and it has a timer. I can't see the light, but yeah, it has a timer on it. So yeah, that's that for my electric tea that came in the mail. I'm gonna go back to getting some work done. And checking through emails and such, and I feel a bit tense, so I'm out walking to relax. I either do yoga or walk, and most times I prefer to walk. Most times I prefer to walk. I decide to stop and get some torta de arrachera at one of my favorite spots in the neighborhood. Caramelized onion. That was a good torta de arrachera con piña y apio. Hey, I am pre-prepping for tomorrow morning. I'm gonna be preparing rice and peas, and I'm gonna show you what I have already. Maybe you've seen it. How many times am I gonna cook rice and peas? I love rice and peas. Oi. But I have garlic, thyme, scallion, pepper, pimiento. I'm going in with this, and I'm gonna let it cook for an hour, and then add a rice to it. I was at home prepping for tomorrow and I forgot something, and I'm going to a place that it's not my favorite place to shop, but I don't go there very often. Do I go to the supermarket often?
No.
They can hear you. You don't have to show your face. So I'm heading to the supermarket to get some items I don't have in stock, and I might take you inside the supermarket if video recording is permitted. I've never taken a recording device in the supermarket, so I don't know how they feel about that if they see me with a camera in front of my face. So let's do this. I think luck is on my side. I wanted to go to the supermarket, and guess what's in front of the supermarket? What's in front of the supermarket?
Another market. Street market.
Street market, aka Tianguis. But guess what? They are packing up. I hope they have what I want. They're packing up. Oh my goodness. Wee. Wish me luck, wish me luck, wish me luck. Órale. Hola, hola. ¿Tiene col? ¿Tiene col? ¿Tiene col? ¿Puedo ver, por favor? Aquí está bien.
Sin bolsa aquí.
Sí. Y dos. Órale. Luck is on my side. ¿Cómo se llama este? Medio cuatro.
¿Medio cuarto o un cuarto?
Un cuarto.
Un cuarto, porfa. Luck is on my side, ¿no? Gracias. ¿Para qué?
Con huevo. Huevo revuelto.
Órale, gracias.
Viene tortilla, chicharrón, aguacate.
Gracias. Tengan buen día. Ever take you guys in the supermarket, but I got everything I needed in the market, and that was a pleasant surprise. Maybe I should have gone in the supermarket anyways, no? But next time I'll take you in the supermarket with me. Hey, another day and I'll be out. I am on my way to Gato Bordeaux, where I'm doing pop-up, weekly pop-up, and I'm just thinking and reflecting on the space and just where and how I've started my business and where it is now and where I want it to be or want for it to be in the future. Hmm. I didn't do as much as I did before, but guess what? I'm grateful. I made sales. Not what I was expecting, but I'm gonna leave by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.